Clean my shoes. See, that one looks clean right here. Oh, minus this right here. Get you one of these scrubbers. Let me see. Get that off. This one right here. Mad dirty. Mad dirty. Gotta get you some pink stuff, multi-purpose. This right here. Drench your shoe. And you gotta get one of them scrub brushes. You gotta get one of those scrub brushes. And I usually do this at night before I even go to bed, though. I just now realizing my shoes was that messed up. Just scrub. Keep your shoes clean, guys. People look at your shoes, especially them ladies. The ladies love looking at your shoes. You always want to make sure your shoes is clean. So now, see that? Clean. Clean.